Hi, welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver and today we're going to have another trading session on Quadex with binary options. If you're unfamiliar with the channel, check out the videos, check out the description to this video, specifically because there is a Telegram group where you can learn a lot about trading in general and especially with binary options. So check that video out, as well as the link to the Quadex, the platform where I trade. So let's get to the session of today straight away, and today we're gonna start with $93 and we're gonna go and see where we can get with that. So let's start. Alright, so MACD, as we can see, is going into the downtrend, so therefore we are making the put option for this one. Here's the first profit and it's $175.77. The next option is going to be $175. So let's check out a different currency here. For example, this one here. Alright, so we are seeing a similar situation. It's a downtrend and we see the MACD is in at the bottom as well. So same thing, we're opening a put option here. And here is the second profit from our second option is $330, already 75 cents. So the next one is going to be $330, for example. And we're going to go to a different also currency. I'm going to go and check out this one. Alright, so we see a resistance level here. And so we're looking at the put option here as it meets the resistance level and it's gonna bounce off it. So for the next 1 minute we're gonna see a the price meeting that resistance level and bouncing off it. So hopefully we have time for that before it goes back up, because generally there is probably an uptrend growing, so we're gonna see that in a second. And here is the next profit, $623.70. 625 is going to be the next option. This is exponential, that's how we do it. That's how the balance grows so drastically. From starting from just $100 you can get to pretty good amounts. This is what we're trying to do here. So see here, MACD is on the upper trend and we're going to go with the call option here. Also, if you look at it, the zigzag, the indicator that we're using, the price, the graph was basically the candles were breaking through the zigzag level. So that's another indication to keep in mind. That's an indication that the price would go up, and as you see, that's what's happening exactly. And here is our fat profit, $1,168.75. This, considering that we started with less than $100, this is really good. Okay, so now 1,000. We see that the downtrend is basically is going to its end. So we're gonna go for a call option here, because it looks like the downtrend is gonna end there, and the same situation but opposite. If you look at the zigzag, we see that the candles going downwards were breaking through the zigzag, but then they break them through to go up. So that's an indication. Same situation but opposite from that last option we just did. So basically, obviously we are making the opposite to what we did just now. So let's wait for the result. And here is the second profit, 89% the payout on this one. So that's $890 from one option of 1,000. So now we have on our balance possibility to make a $2,000 option. And here we have again the uptrend is probably gonna end around there. So we're making a 2,000 put option. If you look at the MACD as well, it looks like it's gonna enter the downtrend. It's gonna enter into the short. If you look at the green line, it's about to. I mean, it had spent enough time in the overbought section of the market, so in the area where it's considered overbought. So and looking at it now, it's starting to go down and is about to cross the slower line. So and here it is. If you look at it, it is doing that exactly. It's gonna cross it and the price would go down. But right now we had a profit of the 2,000. It's as you can see, the more amount, the price is going up drastic. I mean, the balance is going up drastically. Let's go to the next. Our next option, we can do a $3,000 option now. We see a resistance here. We came to the resistance, so I would be waiting for a bounce off to go down. So therefore we're making this $3,000 put option, and let's wait for the result. And here it is, a very fat profit, $5,610 here. Okay guys, we're gonna make the next option. We're able to make a $6,000 option next. So let's go to this currency over here, and if you look at the MACD, it's at the bottom. So the trend in general is a downtrend. So we're gonna go and open up a $6,000 option, put option, and let's wait for the result. It's 1 minute, not so long, so we should be good with this indication. The zigzag also, we had a little bit of a breakthrough there, but it could be a false one. So let's wait for the result. And here is the profit, guys. Here is the huge profit from this one. And we made from less than $100, we made $11,789. This is a really good profit. And as you can see, we were right with the last indication. The MACD was at the bottom and it was a downtrend going. So yeah, guys, we're gonna stop here. Let me know if you like the content, if you like the videos like that. And we're gonna keep doing them for you guys. Let me know in the commentary section. Subscribe, like, and check out the description to this video to check out this Telegram group. Join it because there's a lot of information that you can use for your experience, as well as learning from my experience here in these sessions that I do. So yeah, I'll see you all next time. All the best and good luck.